Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. I-past Miss XO Uxoli Kabashe. It seems like it's following her ke sana ngisho noma ngabe ugele ukhuluma kangakanani ngokuthi ushintshile. Umpostile ke sana lenkosi lapha ku Twitter ngalesikana poster upromoter self growth, sustainability noku unlocka full potential ema-fans akhe laphana aku-YouTube. Uthi Sanele Nkosi, former escort who has given her life to Christ, is now a born-again Christian. Miss XO is hosting her second luncheon for her fans where she will help them to promote self-growth, sustainability, and unlocking full potential. And people commented and said, yeah, now Miss XO will always be umakhosha ngisho noma ngathi yena so i-born-again Christian indebo ma-luncheon, but we know ukuthi ugele uyithola kanjani imali. Some even said ukuthi hayi be 850 imali engaka yini leyo be asifundisa yona la ngasijile yona laphana ku-YouTube channel yakhe. This is because ugele ucharge 850 per person, and people are saying ukuthi ugele is just trying to make money out of people. If kuma-fans akhe, then why angakwendi for free? Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Do you think people are being fair to Uxoli Kabashe? I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.